everybody, it is April and I am in my craft room, and today I'm going to share with you my So What box for January. So this year the boxes are based on a color theme, and the January color theme is blue. So you get a blue mini rotary cutter. Now how cute is that? Ideal for travel, which also has to do with this month's box. You get 2 fat quarters, which are in the blue family. This one's my favorite. It's got that painted splatter look, or a gray blue, a polka dot. It's really pretty. And then, as usual, it's wrapped in a ribbon that you can cut apart and use to make your tags for your projects. And it says handmade home sewing. It's got the picture of a sewing machine and a spool of thread. It's really cute. Now, I took the liberty of going ahead and making the project because I think it's fun for you to see what the end result looks like. Now, keep in mind, they always send you everything you need for the project. So, in addition to the project pieces, you get a spool of thread and pins. So this month's project is a little travel sewing kit. Now, I'm not sure that this band, which can also be the handle, was supposed to come back around and keep it shut, but I thought that was perfect. So let me undo it. Notice the fabric is blue, and you've got a pocket here that zips. I put in a zipper, and here it's almost a shame to use this for pins and clips because it's so soft. I cannot get over how soft this is. I would make a blanket out of this. So soft. So if you wanted to put your rotary cutter in this little sleeve, you could do that. If you are a pin person, you could put your pins here, or if you're like me, you can put your clips here. Of course, you know, I can never find a clip when I need one. Found one. So you put your little clips here, pins. It's a really, really cute project. And of course, you get the instructions for the project, and there is a picture of the project. And you can download a PDF pattern so you can make as many of these as you want. And that is Gracie. Really? That is this month's sewing box from So What. The information on how you can get a subscription is in the box below. Check it out. And if you would, and you decide you want to set up a subscription, if you could use my link, I get a little revenue from you using that link. I also have 2 pieces of very exciting news that I'm very excited to share. A pattern designer by the name of Charisma Horton. How could you not love that name? And I'll put a link below so you can go check out her stuff, has sent me patterns. Look at this. All these patterns. So she also was kind enough to send me duplicates of some of the patterns so that I can share them with you. So on my list of things to do and coming in the next month will be a Charisma Horton pattern and a giveaway for a pattern for one of my viewers. And another piece of exciting news, I received this in the mail from Fabric Cafe. They sent me their Fat Quarter Quilt Treats book. I love her 3-yard quilts, and you know I am on a fat quarter kick. So here are the fat quarter patterns that are in the book, and also within the next month we're going to be making one of these babies. Tell me if you know which one, if you can guess which one I'm going to make first. And I don't know Okay, so I'll point them out. There is Baby Oh Baby, Fiesta, Opulence. I'm trying to do this backwards. Prismatic, Parisian, Shine, and Rhapsody. Let me know which one you think that I'm going to make first. All right, and also let me know if you liked what the project was in the So What box this month. Have a great day, eat some chocolate, and be kind to everyone. Until next time.